Hello and welcome. My name is Michael Williams, your smooth speech and presentation specialist. Imagine what your life would be like if you no longer had to worry about saying what you wanted to say, when you want to say it, and the way you want to say it. Imagine if you didn't have to worry about ordering the foods that you want, introducing yourself, sharing your thoughts and your opinions in meetings, giving presentations. Imagine if you never had to worry about that again. Imagine if you didn't have to wake up every day anticipating your meetings, or if you're in a conversation, anticipating and scanning ahead, looking for those words and letters that you might have trouble saying. Imagine if you didn't have to do that anymore. Imagine feeling free to say whatever you want to say, whenever you want to say it, the way that you want to say it. Imagine being able to go out and get the job that you want, to fulfill the dreams that you've had. There are some people who actually choose careers based on their speech. They say, well, this career is going to require me to speak more, so I'm going to choose this one. Or, ooh, I'm not going to take that promotion. I'm not going to apply to that job because that's going to require me to speak more. So there are people who are not doing the things that they're truly called to do, that they really want to do because of their speech. Imagine if you could remove those limitations. Well, I want to invite you to take just a few minutes, and if you're on your phone or your desktop or your tablet, and just scroll through this site, because there's something here for everyone. If you are just checking this out for the first time and you're not quite sure if this is the right approach for you and you want to see if this works, then I have a free action guide for you to download, and you're going to see a pop-up if you haven't already seen it. And it'll pop up and you can just click the link or the button and it'll allow you to download our free action guide. It's a very exciting guide that will give you step-by-step exactly what you need to do to replace your current way of speaking. It's not about treating your speech, it's about replacing it with a brand new, smooth, clear, calm, confident way of speaking. So you can get that action guide absolutely free right now. Some of you are going to be ready to jump into a more comprehensive program that gives you a step-by-step daily routine that you can use to transform your speech. And it's the reason that the step-by-step daily routine is important is so that you're not confused and you don't have to figure out what to do every day to work on your speech, right? This guide, this program will give you that. So you can just scroll down and click the button or the image that says Basic Smooth Speech. You can jump into that right now. Now, there are others of you who are on the site who might want to connect with me and check out some of our podcasts. And so there's a button and an image for you where you can actually get inspired and you can get a few tips and techniques and you can be encouraged. So you can check out our podcasts, and that's absolutely free. And these are private podcasts. Now, there are some of you who are professionals, you're doctors, you're scientists, you're other professionals who you've done your research and you know this approach is going to work. You know it's scientifically based. And you know that working on your own is not going to be the fastest way to achieve your speech goals. So you're going to want to work with me directly. So scroll down and there's a button and an image for you to click that says Private Smooth Speech Coaching, right? So you click on that and you review that page, and if you're ready to jump in and work with me one-on-one, there's that option for you. Now here's something that I want to leave you with. Why do you think doctors and scientists and other professionals from around the world choose Pro90d? Why do you think that is? Well, it's because the system, the approach is scientifically based. It works. It just works. Or they wouldn't choose us. They would choose a speech therapist, or they would choose some other program. But they choose us. And they're from different parts of the world. So they have global choices, but they choose us. So if doctors, the people that you go to when you're sick, and surgeons and scientists, right? If they choose us, and PhDs, and if they choose us, why shouldn't you? Okay. Again, my name is Michael Williams. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, take your time, scroll through the page. There's something for everyone, but go ahead and connect with us right now. And I'm confident that you'll find something that can help you get to the place in your life where you feel free to say what you want to say, where you actually start to enjoy speaking, where you feel like you can just say whatever you want to say, whenever you want to say it, and the way that you want to say it. My name is Michael Williams, your smooth speech and presentation specialist. I look forward to working with you soon.